हेलो एंड वेलकम, दिस इज़ AK फ्रॉम ड्रीम की इंफ्राटेक और आज मैं खड़ा हूँ कर्मा लेक लाइन्स में। आप इस जगह पे आपने मेक माई ट्रिप देखा होगा और यहाँ पर आप ज़रूर आए होगे कभी ना कभी घूमने के लिए। बट वाई एम आई हियर? आई एम फ्रॉम रियल एस्टेट, राइट? वाई एम हियर? ओके, no more guessing, no more connecting the dots. I am here, as you can see from the background, there is a new beautiful upcoming project of Shobha by the name of Aranya. Now when we talk about Shobha Aranya means the queen of forest. By that you would mean that in these times when the AQI is skyrocketing, this is the place where you need to have your residence if you need to sustain in Delhi NCR for a very longer period of time. But does that mean that it is for everybody? No. I'm sorry, but as Shobha says, it is for a very selected few that have a taste like this, that would want कि जब वो शाम को अपने सारे दिन के हसल बसल से वापस आए तो अपनी शांति में घर वो जहाँ पर वो रहें, जहाँ पर वो सुबह उठ के देखें तो उनको एक इनफाइनाइट ग्रीन व्यूज़ मिले, साथ में उनको गोल्फ कोर्स देखने को मिले। एंड गोल्फ कोर्स तो हर कोई बिल्डर दे रहा है, राइट? आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही होगा, बट this is not like any other golf course. This is an award-winning 9-hole golf course that you get when you book your home in Shobha Aranya. और for the viewers who are watching this for the first time, या आपने शोभा को बहुत ज़्यादा गूगल नहीं किया है, तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा 1 मिनट ब्रीफ में बता दूँ that Shobha is the only Indian real estate builder that has a backward integration, which means that it is self-sufficient, self-reliant. Even in lockdown days, the construction of Shobha कभी भी बंद नहीं हुआ और इसीलिए उन्होंने बहुत ही magnificent landmark projects बनाए हैं. To name a few, they started in 2011 from Dwarka Expressway और सबको पता है Shobha International City, sprawling villas, right? बहुत सुंदर विलास बने हैं. फिर उसके बाद बना शोभा सिटी, फिर उसके बाद विस्ता रेजिडेंसेस एंड so on and so forth. Now the project that we are standing here at is one of its kind of a project which is by the name of Shobha Aranya और ये एकड़ों में स्प्रेड हुआ है. वो कहते हैं ना कि जहाँ तक नज़र जा रही है वहाँ तक लैंड दिख रहा है. यस, वही शोभा का कॉन्सेप्ट है. शोभा अरान्या Lux Residences, which has a ecology and a ecosystem around it. There are 3 and 4 bedroom beautiful adobes being made with some global aesthetics in it. So you're gonna enjoy. Stick on, hook on, and while I take you and show you the other things that would come up with this project. So let's quickly go inside and see the sales and the experience center. You know, I'm going to tell you and you will listen to this about 1,000,000 times. Shobha is all about experience. We are here to sell you an experience. We are here to tell you what your dream would look in reality. So come along. Okay, so here I am in front of the model, the artistic model. This is what you see here will transform into reality in few years from now on. Just the way the model has been made. मतलब model देख के ही आप 5-10 सेकंड के लिए कुछ बोल नहीं पाते, जैसे मेरा हाल हो रहा है अभी. हालांकि मैं रोज़ आता हूँ यहाँ पे, रोज़ देखता हूँ, बट मैं रोज़ देख के उतना ही सरप्राइज रह जाता हूँ जैसे मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इसे. और क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं, अगर आप थोड़ा सा आगे आएंगे और इसकी खूबसूरती और ख़ासियत देखेंगे तो like I said in the first segment of my video that here is where the golf course would be. The award-winning 9-hole golf course would be here. And if you look at this, now coming at the nitty-gritties of the project, I'll quickly brief you. It has got 5 towers in it. Right now, Shobha is accepting the EOI and the checks for tower 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tower 1 will come up later and that's a big surprise. And you would know why, because tower 1 and 2 and 3, all of them, the balconies are facing towards the panoramic green view and the golf course that is there, along with 40-50 amenities that are here. And when I say amenities, spa or a restaurant or a senior citizen park, community farming, all of this everybody gives. But let me tell you, Shobha was the leader in the community farming. They started that in Vista Residences. That is a huge success and that is what has been replicated here. And there are a lot of forest here. There are a lot of forests and they have different names to it because that is how they keep the environment clean green, grounded and safe here in Shobha Aranya in collaboration with Karma Lakeland. Now coming up to this project that you see here, I will tentatively tell you the sizes. It starts from 2800 square feet, which is about a 3 BHK with a utility room, or as we can say, that can be used for domestic help, going up to 4200 square feet of a space. 4200 square feet will be a 4-bedroom with a family lounge and a utility room. Now, the best part about it is that for the 4200 size and a size below it, which is for 4 BHK, have only 2 core, which means that there will be only 2 units on each floor, and both of them are 2-side open, which means your privacy is intact. And if you see here, you know, one person cannot peep into the other person's balcony even if you're standing there. And that is what Shobha has done in all of their projects across Delhi NCR. So privacy होगी नहीं होगी क्या होगा वो सब की आपको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो आप बाहर छोड़ के आना और यहाँ पर आना और ये project देखना. Okay, so now I'm standing at the model, and just to tell you about the connectivity, we have already up IO, but then if you see this is the NH8, okay, and from here, this is going to be the main entrance of the Eco-Lux residences, which is Shobha Aranya. Now, to quickly tell you, there are going to be about 524 ultra-lux eco residences, and like I said earlier, this is for the selected few. I'm sorry to say this, but this is not for masses, this is for the classes, and this is for the select few only. Now, why I say so is that if you see in the front, they have a water body. And वो कहते हैं ना कि entrance पे पानी जो होता है वो हमेशा lucky होता है, because water gives you that calmness, it gives you that soothing effect. Along with that, if you see, they have a sprawling 75,000 square feet of clubhouse, man. That is something, 75,000 square feet of clubhouse. And to tell you, that clubhouse would run naturally. Naturally? कैसे? मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. On top of all these 5 towers, they have placed solar panels. Now that solar panel will drive the electricity and take care of everything that will be here. Now, with this so much of greenery and sprawling space, obviously there is rainwater harvesting. हर कोई करता है वो, तो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग से जो भी पानी होगा वो क्लब हाउस में जितनी भी पानी की ज़रूरत होंगी उसे पूरा करेगा. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई से दैट इट विल रन नेचुरली. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it so thoughtful of the leadership and management of this company? सोचो उन्होंने इतना दिमाग, इतना ब्रेन लगाया है एक इकोसिस्टम देने के लिए और एक पूरा इकोलॉजिकली एक अच्छा बनाने के लिए. तो क्या वो अच्छा नहीं होगा? ज़रूर होगा. और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप पर्सनली आएँ इस सेल्स गैलरी में, एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर में, इसे एक्सपीरियंस करें और जल्दी इसे बुक कराएं. Now I'll just give you a glimpse of the amenities or the ultra lux amenities that Shobha Aranya is going to offer you. As you can see here, it is broadly divided into 5 categories. One is the park and plaza zone, the active zone, the recreational zone, the kids zone and the eco amenities zone. मतलब कितना इंटेलिजेंटली एंड थॉटफुली प्लान किया, आपको नाम से ही पता चल जाता है आप कौन सी एम्यूनिटी में एंटर करने वाले हो. सो टू नेम अ फ्यू, द पार्क एंड प्लाजा जोन, दे हैव अ हीलिंग गार्डन. ओह वाओ, हीलिंग गार्डन मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ. हीलिंग गार्डन, मैंने बोटानिकल गार्डन सुना है, जैन गार्डन सुना है, बट हीलिंग गार्डन, nothing like it. Then there is obviously a senior citizen park. Then there is a pet park for all your boo-boos and babas that can go to this pet park. Moving on, the active zone, you have a jogging and a cycling path. Oh man, we got to be a fitness freak, right? In this kind of atmosphere, health सबसे पहले आती है. So you have a jogging track, and just to tell you, here, this is how the jogging track is curated. बहुत सुंदर है दोस्तों ये, seriously. And then you have a 6-lane Olympic size pool. A 6-lane Olympic size pool in your residences. मतलब आप सोच सकते हो आप कहाँ आके रहने वाले हो, honestly. और वो ये है. प्लीज़ वो करा लो जल्दी, मैंने आज करा लेना है, पक्की बात है. उसके बाद इफ़ यू कम टू द रिक्रिएशनल जोन, यू हैव अ पिकनिक ग्रूव, यू हैव अ सन डेक. ऑब्वियसली जब ओलंपिक साइज पूल होगा सन डेक भी होना ज़रूरी है. देन यू हैव अ बॉनफायर सर्कल, क्लब हाउस, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. आई कैन कीप ऑन गोइंग, just bear with me for 30 seconds more. Then there is a kid zone in which you have a play park, a water play deck. ऑब्वियसली पूल के पास छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी कुछ होना चाहिए, है ना. अगर वो बिजी नहीं रहेंगे तो आप अपनी स्विमिंग नहीं कर पाओगे, ये पक्का है. एंड देन देयर इज़ अ फाउंटेन डेक एंड अ प्ले प्लाजा, एंड देन द इको एम्यूनिटी जोन. यू हैव अ बैम्बू वॉक, अ कैंपिंग ग्राउंड और एक कम्युनिटी फार्मिंग. ये विस्ता रेजिडेंसेज में भी था. एंड लाइक आई सेड पहले कि वहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट किया, टेस्ट किया, सक्सेसफुल था. यहाँ पे दोबारा आएगा, बट यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़े लार्ज स्केल पर आएगा और बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. And that is for now. Okay, so now we've gone through the walkthrough of this super amazing Shobha Aranya Ultra Lex Eco Aboards. Now I'm going to tell you that the best investment on earth is earth, and you can only do that in form of buying an ultra luxury house here, which is only for a selected few. And you know what? With all of these amenities and this skyscraper and the ecology and the intelligence and thoughtfulness put into it, this will cost you only starting from 7.10 CR. And again, this is AK Anant Kapoor from Dreamkey Infratech, and we will also share our social media links and our email addresses. Do call me, do not hesitate, do call me. I will accompany you for a tour here. Whether you take it or not, it is your call, but we would like you to come here so that 5 years later, when you see this skyscraper, you should not repent, I should have gone there. Remember, this is AK, your real estate partner and consultant. Thank you, signing off.